Alright, I'm in Condesa neighborhood in Mexico City, and I just ran out of a gym and I saw an entire building collapse. It's right here in front of me. There's a lot of really bad smoke coming this way. Everyone's moving away from it. Everyone seems to be running to the intersection right now. Everyone's out on the street right now. People are pointing out that there's tall buildings and that they're trying to get away from them right now. There's a tall building behind me right now and everyone doesn't want to stand next to it. Again, Mexico City, it's around 2 p.m. I'm in the Roma neighborhood and a building just collapsed across the street from where I was. There's a lot of yelling, people were very hysterical. It's all very scary right now. I'm gonna try to get into that building that collapsed. Maybe there's something I can do to help.
Aváncele, que hay gas, aváncele, ¿por qué graban? Aváncele, hay gas.
They're mentioning there's a gas leak. They're saying there's a gas leak, so I'm moving away from the building right now.
No, dicen, váyanse a la pared, verga, yo no me pegué a la pared, yo me fui para la... Yo vi todo se empezó a
They mentioned there's a gas leak and I did smell it. People are running away from that building that just fell. I'm gonna stop recording now to call my mom.